Hi, I'm Ian Rodriguez, and I'm here at the annual Veterans Day Assembly. Today, PCTI remembers our fallen heroes and honors those who have risked their lives for our freedoms in the United States of America. Let's take a look inside.
Veterans Day is a day where we get to appreciate and to celebrate all veterans, past and present. It's important because if you remember the theme of the video and the assembly, it was superhero themed. And these are our superheroes, and we owe them so much for protecting us, for protecting our freedoms, for defending our freedoms. And they should be recognized, even those who have given the ultimate sacrifice like their lives.
The Bravest Man I Know by Amanda Whitney. The bravest man I know is a man I've never met. He's a man who risks his life to save a friend, not only a friend, but to save a nation. Risking his life for those he does not know, stepping up, leaving loved ones behind, so that somewhere someone else won't have to. He is a man who follows orders even though he knows he might die. The bravest man I know is a man who would rather die so one more person could go home to see his family again. The man who stares death in the face but never blinks. The bravest man I know is a man who risks his life so one day the world may be a better place for his children, or any man who goes against his biggest fear, death, just to save someone he loves. The bravest man I know is the man who fights so another man can have the taste of sweet freedom, not fighting for his own benefit, but for many others around the world, fighting to make this world a better place. That is the bravest man that I know.
I mean, it's a very important holiday that I think we should all cherish, and quite frankly, I mean, most of Americans do celebrate our veterans, but it's a day that isn't taken with much weight. So, I mean, if we could celebrate it more and do more as a society to appreciate those who gave it all for us, it would be pretty good.
Veterans Day is important because it recognizes the sacrifices that other people make. Oftentimes, we value and show gratitude for sacrifices that aren't necessarily important. For example, when somebody gives you a gift, we're grateful, but that gift can be materialistic. We don't necessarily give as much gratitude as we should to the people who give the gifts of their life for our freedom. And that's what makes it so important, because it's something that not many people are willing to give, but those who do it well, and they do it for life. And it basically means to me freedom.
I'd like to share with the viewers to, when you're observing Veterans Day, to understand that it is an appreciation of all veterans past and present, and that it is crucial for us to show our appreciation, because at the end of the day, these veterans are risking not only their own freedoms and abilities to do the things that we take for granted, like being able to spend time with our families. So they're risking that, and they're sacrificing that all for us. And so we owe them that gratitude.
I think that we should all take Veterans Day with a little bit more weight than we do now. We all, of course, appreciate our veterans, and we are thankful for what they've done, but showing it into our society does not seem to be a strongly held view.
When you observe veterans, I ask to be mindful of their experiences. Yes, we want to find out more about them, but a lot of them have gone through really traumatic situations, and sometimes when we ask questions, they might be too personal. So I would certainly encourage asking them questions, because it makes them feel good, but just to be careful about how one does it.
As you can see, the Veterans Day Assembly greatly honored those who have sacrificed their lives and served our country bravely. Back to you in the studio.